client is a commercial main dealer based in the Oxford area that's looking to hire a workshop controller and assistant service manager to join their business. For this role, our client's looking for individuals with automotive workshop control experience or experienced vehicle technicians or vehicle service advisors who are looking to take a step up. Overall, the applicant should be an organised individual, computer literate, with a good technical understanding of automobiles. The successful candidate will progress quickly in this role to become the automotive service manager within a short space of time. As a member of this team, they will be looking after a workshop full of experienced vehicle technicians. Working alongside the service team, the employee will be expected to liaise between the front of house and the workshop, assigning job cards and maintaining a steady workflow to maximise workshop utilisation. Previous workshop controller experience or master technician experience within a main dealer environment would be an advantage. This vacancy is being managed by one of our consultants, Charlotte. She can be contacted on 01184 023 913 for more information. Don't forget that you can also send us details of anyone who you think may be suitable. You could receive up to £100 in vouchers.